In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to design company profile homepage using Elementor, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and select Add New. Here first enter your page title as Home, then go to Page Attributes and select Elementor Canvas for Templates. Then click on Publish button. Then click on this Edit with Elementor button. Now select this folder button and here you are on Pages section. Now select Popular from here and you will get all the popular pages with Insert button to directly insert it. Let's open the one you like and then click on Insert button to insert it. Then you can edit its content according to your site requirements and then click on Update button. Now open your WordPress admin dashboard, go to Settings and here select Reading. Here select a static page and in Homepage, select your newly create homepage, then Save Changes. Now go to Demo and click on Visit Site. So here on your website, you can see your newly created homepage. Thank you for watching.